Question 3. A certain company offers 750 hours of free internet use for new subscribers. On closer inspection, it becomes clear that this time must be used during the new subscriber's first month of membership. What is the maximum number of hours in any 1 month of the year? So however way you're going to do it, the maximum days in a month equals 31. So in terms of the number of hours, we're looking at 31 multiplied by 24. And you might do column method, you might do however you are going to work this out. I quite like using the lattice method. And if you've never used it before, you might want to give it a go and have a look. What I will probably do actually is send you a video on this. What we're doing here is we're writing 31 at the top, we're writing 24 here, and then we are multiplying the 2 digits that are along the row and along the column. So 1 multiplied by 2, this is the tens digit, this is the ones digit. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 1 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4. Now there's a tens digit here because the answer is 12. Then what you do is you add along the diagonal. You don't add that 4 because that was in the original question, but you add that 4. You add 2 plus 0 plus 2, 6 plus 1, and you get the answer 744. And therefore the answer is D.